Hi everyone, I'm Eddie. I'm 28. I've been a member of Atomy for only 4 months. I've achieved Sales Master 3 times since the UK launch and became the centre leader of the first ever centre in UK and Europe. So how did an ordinary guy like me achieve all this? Today, I'd like to talk about Atomy's life scenario and why it is so important. As we all know, our motto is create the vision. But what does this really mean? Vision is something that we imagine, an image in our head. Now, what does it mean to create? It means to bring things into life, into reality. So by creating the vision, we are making our dreams into reality. It's like a movie. We create the scenario and we act it out. Imagine a movie without any scenarios. Do you think that the movie will turn out well or receive the Oscars? This is Atomy's life scenario. We write out and plan each step to be successful to win our Oscars. So now I will show you an example of how to write the life scenario using my personal life scenario. Through great teamwork and planning, I became a sales master in August. My aim now is to help my partners become sales masters themselves and for myself to become the Diamond Master by December 2021. I never needed a car as I always used public transport to commute, but now my dream is to visit my partners who are all over the UK, including Birmingham and Manchester. I aim to have a car by December 2021 in order to be able to do more sponsorship work and visit my partners. Currently, I give my parents allowances each month, but I would love to take them on holiday every year. I aim to become Sharon Rose Master by August 2022 and give my parents 2 free tickets worth £600. Through hard work and planning, I was able to become the centre leader of the first ever UK education centre in the heart of Koreatown, New Malden. It's a great place where partners and members can gather, learn together and enjoy all things Atomy. However, I don't want to just stop there. I want to help my partners also open their own centres in the future. So please visit, guys. You're welcome anytime. I've been fortunate enough to have a roof over my head. I've lived out since the age of 19, moving from friends' places to a shared accommodation, now to a flat with my best friend. I'm satisfied with my housing now, but I've always wanted a garden and wish to move to a house with a garden by November 2022. Through the life scenario, I was able to do many things, not just with Atomy. I learned to swim and learned to be more positive in life. Just like I'm doing now, I aim to compile all my life scenarios together and create an autobiography by the age of 38, displaying how I became an Imperial Master. I will continue to study, learn deeper into Atomy, attend one-day seminars, and have everyday success with Atomy. I love hiking. By 2023, I want to climb Ben Nevis in Scotland like I'm climbing the Atomy mountain, and then maybe even Mount Everest one day. I want to look back and see how far I've come. I haven't been active with charity work, but why not give back the love that I received from Atomy? One thing I've learned with Atomy is to give back. Starting 2022, I wish to support the charity SENSE, who provides care for children who are born deafblind. If it wasn't for Atomy's life scenario, I wouldn't be here in front of you as a sales master and as a center leader. The very first thing I ever did when joining Atomy was to write the life scenario. And looking back, I was able to achieve 80% of the things that I wrote down. If I didn't aim for anything and plan it, I would be in the same place, doing the same things, but wanting everything. Let's say you want to get from A to B. Would you use a map, or would you just walk aimlessly and expect to arrive at B? Chairman Park said, "You won't be able to succeed in Atomy without your life scenario." I've experienced it firsthand, and my life scenario continues to grow every month. Many people have started Atomy, but only a handful have become Imperial. It's not about your education, or your wealth, or your background. It's about how much you dream it and how thoroughly you act it out. Now it's time for you to decide. Will you walk around aimlessly, or to join me and follow the footsteps of our Imperial Masters?